You gonna go down the slide?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Uh-oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good boys. You want to get in the swing?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Here you go. Oh, up you go, big boy. There you go. Here we go. Is that fun, Harvey?
Yeah.
Good.
What?
You want me to push you again?
I'm already on my stick. What? Hey, Jacob.
Here, got a little push.
Wait for me. You will drive me.
You want to get out?
Right. I can.
Okay, I'll go.
Wait for me.
Here you go. Yes, that's good.
Now I'm no more.
You want to go up? No, I don't know how you're going to get up. There's a ladder over there.
Hi, Grandma Vicky.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Harvey. Hi, Harvey. Ladder.
Harvey can't climb it.
I bet he can.
Yeah, he's pretty good at climbing ladders.
I was going to say. What experience?
Careful there, little guy.
Cool.
Ooh, you're strong, Harvey.
Look. She's helping him.
Careful.
Here, Mommy help. Mama help.
Thank you,
There you
Mama.
go. There you go. You can do it. Here, Harvey, grab this.
It's probably my turn.
All right, Harvey.
Be careful now, Harvey.
I will.
You go down the slide?
Yeah.
All right. There's little handles. Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. Hey, woo.
Oh, careful, guys.
Again? Are you going up?
My turn to go.
Okay. Alex, go, and then Harvey go. Careful, don't step on the
Yeah, careful of your fingers, Harvey. Wait with your fingers, Harvey.
Put your foot up. Turn him around.
I do too.
Go watch that. See if there's a phone book.
Come on, man.
Whee!
You try to go up the ladder every night. What's the problem, man?
Well, he went up that other one by himself, the green one. Yeah.
You go on the side? Yeah, you do. Let's see. Whee! Alex! What? Hold on. Let me see.
You want to get up, Harvey? You want to get up? I'll help you.
Alex,
Yeah, you can get up. Up you go. Up, up. There you go. Woo, look at you.
take it, Mama. Then go, man, go. Alex wants to sit with you, Harvey.
Woo, careful, Harv. Woo. Oh, he wants to get on the other one now.
Harvey, can Alex sit with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Harvey, Alex is going to come with you.
Ah, that's nice.
Let me see if it can work with him in the back. I don't know.
Oh, they're so cute.
All right, hold on.
Look at them. You boys are so cute.
Alex, baby, look at me too.
Oh.
Harvey, cheese. Harvey, cheese. Alex, cheese. Everybody, cheese.
Yay!
All right, very nice.
Let's go. I'll go down.
All right, Ivy.